Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy mutton step by step. To begin, gather all your ingredients. You will need 500 grams of fresh mutton, 2 large onions, and 2 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget your whole spices like cardamom and cloves, plus powdered spices such as turmeric and coriander. Also, have 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste ready, along with cooking oil and fresh cilantro for that perfect finish. Now let's start cooking. Heat about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a sturdy pot over medium heat. Once hot, add your whole spices, the cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon stick, and let them sizzle for about 30 seconds until they release their wonderful aroma. Next, add your 2 large chopped onions and sauté them patiently until they achieve a lovely golden brown hue. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 minute. It's time to add the flavor. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Cook these powdered spices for about 2 minutes, ensuring you stir continuously to prevent them from sticking. Then, add your 2 chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and the oil begins to separate. Finally, add the 500 grams of mutton, mix everything thoroughly, and pressure cook for 20 minutes. Almost done. Once the pressure cooker has naturally released its pressure, open it and check if your mutton is perfectly tender. If the gravy is too thin, you can simmer it on low heat for a few extra minutes to achieve your desired consistency. Now, taste and adjust the salt as needed, then stir in a half teaspoon of fragrant garam masala. Finally, garnish generously with fresh chopped cilantro, and your delicious mutton gravy is ready to serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.